Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create Eid Adha Poster Design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, place Embedded, select your image, and place. Link of this torn paper is mentioned in the description. Adjust its size and position. Go to the Quick Selection tool, and make a selection of the center area. Here I need some manual selection. Click on this icon, and follow me. Go to the Layer menu, New, and create a layer via copy or press Ctrl+J. Go to the File menu, place Embedded, select your image, and place. Image link is in description. Open the Layer panel, right-click on it, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Then add a layer mask to it. Go to the Brush tool. Use these settings. And erase the extra part. Select the torn paper layer, and create a solid color adjustment layer. And change its blending mode to multiply. Then add the texture image. And change its blending mode to multiply. And decrease its opacity to 50%. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Follow my text settings. I have these icons, place them here. Select the torn paper layer and add the inner shadow to it. Use these settings. Create a blank layer. Select the brush tool. And follow me. I have this 3D icon, drag it to the main file. Go to the File menu, Blur and then Motion Blur. Use these settings and hit OK. Make a copy of it and adjust it. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.